Welcome to Inspo for Life. Today's video, we are going to be talking about some life-changing information. I'm so excited to share with you guys. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. We're going to be going over the Law of Assumption by Neville Goddard. The law and its operation is going to be explained in this video in some pretty key points throughout his lecture on Feeling is the Secret. In his lecture, Neville really provides some powerful, insightful information, and it's important that you familiarize yourself with these key points and just keep coming back and rereading them and really ingraining it into your mental state and reprogram your mind with these key points. The mechanism of creation is hidden in the very depth of the subconscious, which is the female aspect or womb of creation. Ideas are impressed on the subconscious through the medium of feeling. No idea can be impressed on the subconscious until it is felt, but once felt, be it good or bad or indifferent, it must be expressed. Therefore, the man who does not control his feeling may easily impress the subconscious with undesirable states. By control of feeling, it is not meant restraint or suppression of your feeling, but rather the disciplining of self to imagine and entertain only such feeling as it contributes to your happiness. Never entertain an undesirable feeling, nor think sympathetically about wrong in any shape or form. What you feel you are always dominates what you feel you would like to be. Sensation precedes manifestation and is the foundation upon which all manifestation rests. Be careful of your moods and feelings, for there is an unbroken connection between your feelings and your visible world. Emotional disturbances, especially suppressed emotions, are the causes of all disease. To feel intensely about a wrong without voicing or expressing that feeling is the beginning of disease, dis-ease, in both body and environment. Do not entertain the feeling of regret or failure, for frustration or detachment from your objective results in disease. Think feelingly only of the state you desire to realize. Feeling the reality of the state sought and living and acting on that conviction is the way of all seeming miracles. Chance or accident is not responsible for the things that happen to you, nor is predestined fate the author of your fortune or misfortune. Your subconscious impressions determine the conditions of your world. The subconscious is not concerned with the truth or falsity of your feeling. It always accepts as true that which you feel to be true. To impress the subconscious with a desirable state, you must assume the feeling that would be yours had you already realized your wish. In defining your objective, you must be concerned only with the objective itself. The manner of expression or the difficulties involved are not to be considered by you. To think feelingly on any state impresses it on the subconscious. Therefore, if you dwell on difficulties, barriers, or delay, the subconscious, by its very non-selective nature, accepts the feeling of difficulties and obstacles as your request and proceeds to produce them in your outer world. Your desires are not subconsciously accepted until you assume the feeling of their reality. For only through feeling is an idea subconsciously accepted, and only through this subconscious acceptance is ever expressed. It is easier to ascribe your feeling to events in the world than to admit the conditions of the world reflect your feeling. However, it is eternally true that the outside mirrors the inside. As within, so without. As above, so below. As below, so above. As within, so without. As without, so within. Correspondence. The second of the 7 principles of Hermes. A man can receive nothing unless it is given to him from heaven, and the kingdom of heaven is within you. Nothing comes from without. All things come from within, from the subconscious. It is impossible for you to see other than the contents of your consciousness. The subconscious accepts as true that which you feel as true, and because creation is the result of the subconscious impressions, you, by your feeling, determine creation. To seek on the outside for that which you do not feel you are is to seek in vain, for we never find that which we want, we find only that which we are. Mastery of self-control of your thoughts and feelings is your highest achievement. However, until perfect self-control is attained, so that in spite of appearances, you feel all that you want to feel, use sleep and prayer to aid you in realizing your desired states. These are the 2 gateways into the subconscious. Alright, so hopefully you took away some key points in that lecture. Stay tuned for part 2, using sleep in the law of assumption. Thanks for watching.